real, can't do no different. Swear me half a win, that's why I'ma try again. Pray every time I feel, cause God always a listen.
Yeah. If you haven't already, please go to my page and subscribe and like. Thank you. So today I'll be getting this Maid of Honor Glam for her friend's wedding. So as you see here, I'm prepping her face, moisturizing, priming, etc. You know, setting her face so she can have an all-day set with my milk of magnesia. I am now shaving her brows, getting them ready for the glam look today. So I'm now outlining her brows using my Clean Color brown eyeliner, one of my fave. Cheap but effective. So after lining her brows, I'm now outlining her brows, concealing with my LA Girl concealer, sharpening up those brows, you know. Please guys, go over to my page, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So I'm now outlining the top of her brows with my concealer, making those brows sharp and in shape. And after I have outlined her brows, I based her eyes using my P. Louise base in number 2, and now I'm adding some shadows to this glam. So of course it's a wedding, so of course we stay neutral as possible. We know bridal makeup looks, you try to stay as neutral as possible, natural, still cute. So I'm using my shades from my Juvia's Place palette. Blending them all together. And now I'm lining her eyelid with my Juvia's Place eyeliner, gel eyeliner in the shade black. Now lining her bottom eyelids, a waterline, bringing it all together. Now I'm adding my foundation. Of course, I'm using Juvia's Place foundation, one of my favorite foundation. Like, I found the foundation that I want. Like, all my foundation shades are now Juvia's Place, Juvia's Place, Juvia's Place. Blending it all together with my blending sponge, and I'm now highlighting her T-zone area. Look at those eyes! Oh my gosh! And I'm now blending my concealers all together. And this is the highlighting part of concealing, and then of course I'll be contouring the outer with a darker shade, just to add some warmth and to contour her face. Blending, blending, blending. So again guys, thank you so much for taking the time out to watch my video. Of course, I'm new to this YouTube channel thing, but I would really appreciate you going over to my channel on YouTube, Get Slayed by Kay, and just subscribing, like my videos, And of course, you can leave your positive comments, you know, anything you think I can improve on, you know, what you think of my looks, what like any ideas of what you think I can do, you know, to enhance my page. You know, I mean, all is welcome. Once it is positive, you can shoot it at me, okay? So please go like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Get Slayed by Kay. So once you go to, yeah, sorry about that. Once you go to YouTube, you type in Get Slayed by Kay and bam, you should find my page. So here I am now setting her concealer or highlighted area with my banana powder, my sachet banana powder. I'm setting it all together. Or is this my, yes, my sachet banana powder and also my black opal setting powder in medium. And now I'm bronzing her face with one of my favorites. It is from CoverGirl bronzer. So I'm now adding some warmth and some, you know, structure to her face. The eyes, oh my god, the eyes, wow. Yeah, so there I'm using my black opal setting powder in medium, and I'm now pressing it in. Do not brush off your powders, guys. You press it in. You press it in because you don't want to brush it off. That's like defeating the purpose, and you don't have to bake for long. So I've had this on for like less than 5 minutes, and I'm now, you know, pressing it all in. And again, I am, you know, setting the structure on her face right here. Yeah, I'm getting her nose there, you know, contouring her nose just to have a sharper look to her nose, you know what I mean. And there we go, guys. Our maid of honor is ready. Look at that. Oh my god. And that's just a look of her bride. Her look is coming up, guys. So there we go, the before and after of my maid of honor for the day. And those are my beauties for the day. My beautiful bride and my beautiful maid of honor. Thanks again, guys, for watching my video. As again I said, please go over to YouTube and subscribe to my channel. It's Get Slayed by Kay. Thank you so much for watching. Lady in Red. There we go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.